Hey guys, how's everybody doing? It's Tony. I wanted to make a really quick video just to get back into the habit of starting to make more vids, but something that I'll drop down the link for the Patreon down below if anybody wants to join. The chat is absolutely fantastic and I absolutely love it. But let's get into the video, right? So for the NASDAQ 100, I've said this plenty of times in the last couple of videos that I uploaded. If we are at a top, it was last Friday or yesterday. If we are at a top, it was last Friday or yesterday. The peak right now, we are perfectly divergent, bear divergent on the NASDAQ, right? This is something that I've traded for a very long time. I only trade divergence. I trade on Forex, and if you're part of the Patreon, you already know how to trade divergence. This is essentially a perfect short where target price is actually lower than the lows. Or at least to these lows, I would think. But if CPI is bad tomorrow, and if we miss, the ideal position for anybody to take is shorts 3 months out. That's what I would be doing. I would be shorting the NASDAQ 100 for 3 months out minimum. These average drops from trend touch to the bottom to peak low have been 77 days. So I would not look into shorting the market anything under 77 days. If you want to short the market tomorrow, if CPI comes out bad, right? If CPI is over 9.1%, I think that gives us a huge reason to drop significantly, like I said in my previous videos. If you think that the market is going to drop tomorrow with bad CPI, do not short the market with anything under a 77-day trigger. If you're looking at buying puts, that's fantastic. Buy whatever you want. But I would recommend buying over 77 days, which would net you somewhere like at minimum like a 3 month out contract, right? So what are we in right now? August 10th. You would have to buy something that plays out August 10th, August, September, October, November. So at least, yeah, all of August, all of September, all of October. Minimum, you would have to buy early November, late October puts, just to be on the safer side. If anything, you should be getting November puts to be on the safer side and to catch any possible drops, right? Because you still want to have somewhat of a decent remainder of time in your position. I am looking for late October puts if CPI comes out really bad tomorrow. Other than that, I'm not really doing anything that's really different right now. If CPI again comes out bad tomorrow, I fully expect us to go back and possibly retest the lows and then get a bounce from there. We might create a double top at the bottom. A double bottom at those previous lows of like the SPY, NASDAQ 365, whatever. But apart from that, that's what I will more than likely do. Again, if CPI comes out really bad tomorrow, I'm buying 3 month out puts for something. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.